The custom component analysis capability helps users identify which tasks utilize specific user-defined components, including those listed here. Let's discuss some use cases for this custom component analyzer. First, consider the need for periodic reviews of created assets to assess the types of components they utilize. Secondly, if you need to identify tasks that employ specific types of components, this capability allows you to delve into component details, filter results, and ultimately narrow down the list of tasks for further action. Log into Assurance Service and go to Asset Management tab. Select the desired individual assets or, ideally, switch to a project view and choose the specific project you wish to analyze. Click the Action drop-down button and then click Analyze Custom Components. As soon as the analysis begins, you are directed to a screen where you can view the results. Click the Refresh button. This typically takes a couple of minutes. Once the results are available, you can click View Result to access a high-level dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of the analyzed assets, including the types of assets selected, impacted assets, the number of different components identified, and a summary of the analysis results. Impacted assets are those where the analysis identified customized components as dependencies. Non-impacted assets are those for which no customizations were detected, neither for the assets themselves nor for their dependencies. Non-analyzed assets are typically those that could not be processed, likely due to permission issues or similar constraints. You can find more details in the logs, which can be downloaded from the Job History section, to understand the specific reasons for non-analysis. Let's return to the use cases discussed earlier. To illustrate, let's filter the results to identify assets that utilize a command task. By clicking More Details button, you can then view the specific command task employed, including the name of the script used. If you need to identify tasks utilizing a custom query, you can repeat the filtering process, this time selecting Custom Query as the component type. This will provide a list of tasks. Clicking More Details on a task will reveal additional details, including the specific SQL query being utilized. As you can observe, the list includes not only the assets but also their dependencies. The actual query is typically located within the mapping, and the mapping task is responsible for invoking that mapping. Consequently, the mapping task is also included in the results set. Additionally, you can download the analysis results in a spreadsheet format. This allows for further analysis, such as identifying the types of queries and their associated attributes. Users can refer to the user manual and the network community portal to learn more about the product. The corresponding URLs are listed in the description.